Hi, this is Gore. In this video, we're going to look at the player found on board the latest version of Perodua Axia 1.0 Advanced Edition. So this player is actually a touchscreen player, and over here we're going to look at how this player functions. This player allows you to play radio. It allows Bluetooth connectivity. It also allows you to play music from the USB. And also there's also a option for HDMI connection. So for HDMI connection, you will require, you only work on iPhone itself. So HDMI port is here, so you need an adapter to connect the HDMI port to your iPhone itself. Okay, so they only work for iPhone itself. So let's have a look at this video. So this is the menu button. So up here, press the menu button. This one shows you the home screen. So you have radio at the first option. So this is your radio itself. You just turn down the volume. Okay, so volume control is up here. So touch and then adjust the volume up and down. And then there's an option for mute down here. Then to return back to your radio, just touch any of them. Any part, it will return to the radio itself. This radio comes with 3 FM band. Each FM band has 6 different channels. So you can toggle the band from here. So tap, this is FM2. FM2, you get another 6 set of channels you can program. Then you have FM3. And then you also have AM band, which is called the amplitude modulation band. This button here is called automatic seek. So it will seek out all the channel itself. Okay, so it will seek out all the channel and then it will reprogram all the channel, but this is for the selected band itself. Okay, so return to here, FM1. So you can use this to manual seek like this, up, down and up, or you can automatic seek by touching this button down here. So when it finds a station, it will stop. Then if you want to save the station on the preset, just make sure you press and hold down the selected preset to change to program the station itself. Okay, and then similarly, this is for down seek, automatic down seek. The next part will be the USB itself. I have already plugged in the USB onto the port itself. So by tapping on the USB, it brings you to the USB portion of this player itself. You can tap on the list to see what we have on down here. So this is on audio mode. So audio mode, you have I've managed to locate these few files in here. So this player can play wave. This is a wave file, WAV wave file. You're able to play. This one is a .FLAC flag. FLAC flag, you can still play, no problem. Of course, MP3, it plays MP3, and then MP3, and then down here there's this song. I purposely programmed in the artist and also the album, so this one can be seen by the player itself. And then tap another one. This one is a special thing. I have downloaded this song, and then after that I also key in the name of the album and artist in Chinese. So this one I copy and paste from Google actually. So then this player is able to detect that this song actually has an artist name and album name, and the font is in Chinese font. You'll still able to see it. Okay, so this is Chinese. You can see the song name in Chinese too from here. Okay, this is MP3. The artist name I programmed in Arabic font just for testing, but unfortunately the font doesn't appear on the player itself. And then after that it goes back to this song. I only have 7 lists in here. The file which is not able to detect is .au. It's a very, very rare kind of audio format which is normally found on Solaris operating system, which is Unix operating system and Linux operating system. So .au file not able to play. It's able to play wave, MP3, flag. That's all I have with me. Okay, then return back to the list. You can also tap this one. So this one actually play for is shown video. So MP4. Okay, MP4 able to play, but yeah, alright, it's already there. Okay, go back to the list. This one, if I'm not mistaken, this is MPG. Okay, MPG format can play. And then the next one, this is MKV format. MKV format. So let's see whether you place MKV format. Yeah, you're able to play. MKV can play. Alright, next one. This one I can't remember what it was. So AVI, sorry, this is AVI format. Okay, this file is AVI format. Just give it some time to start up. I think AVI format cannot play. Alright, then the last one, this is WMV. WMV can play. Alright, so I believe it's only the AVI not able to play from here. Okay, now return back to song. Now in song form, under the song listing, let's say we are playing some of the song, you can go to next track. You can go to previous track from here. You can pause. And then this is what it calls scan mode. Scan mode means it play a song for a few seconds, then you go to the next song, and you play for a few seconds, and then go to the next song, and so on. So just keep watch. So scanning mode is on. So it's gone to track number 2. You play for a few more seconds, and then it will then go to another song. Okay, so track number 3 already. Then to turn off the scan, just tap here. This is showing repeat all. Default mode is repeat all, means you play the entire list and you repeat again, then you repeat again the entire list. You can select by repeat 1. Repeat 1 means you keep repeating this song. Maybe you like the song so much, you can tap here to let it repeat 1. Tap again, repeat folder. That means you keep playing the same set of folder over and over again. Then tap one more time. Repeat all is the default. Repeat all means you repeat all the song in all the folder. There's also a randomize button down here. That means you randomly select a song and play. Then when you're done, you randomly select another song, and then you will play again from there. So tap one time to enable random. Random folder means you will pick the song from the same folder, and then you play. Then the next one will be a random song, but from the same folder itself. Random all means you will select randomly select any song from any folder next. Okay, so there are 3 modes down here. Repeat all is the default. And there's also a list button that we seen just now. Okay, so this is for player mode. You can tap on the list to toggle between audio, between video, and also pictures. But I didn't put any pictures or any pictures inside this thumb drive itself, so there none has been found. So the list button actually allows you to toggle between audio, video, and also pictures. Then to return, tap on this one to return. Okay, if I have any song on the SD card, I can tap on the SD card and then select the songs or audio or anything from SD card. Then we have Bluetooth. Okay, Bluetooth allows you to pair a phone via Bluetooth to this player itself. So once you're in here, click on connect to connect. Then on your phone, on the phone that you want to connect, so tap on Perodua. Perodua is the name, the Bluetooth name for this player itself. So let it try to pair. The pass key is 0049. So let's get it try to pair up. Okay, so 0049. Tap OK. So I've already keyed the pin number correctly, and then they have already the phone has already connected. Okay, so you can use the keypad. That means dial a number on the phone. Okay, you can also click here to look at the contact, but then it will download all the contact from my phone to the player itself. Okay, so this one is actually to look for contacts in the phone. So this one to download, and then you can key in the name here to search for it. Okay, so I will not be downloading because I do not know whether this phone has any this player has any other contact in the phone is or any contact uploaded, so I don't want to upset the phone. So you can download the contact by tapping this one and then tap this button to get all the contact from the phone, and then so you can dial anybody from the list. Okay, so this is the call log that has been made using the player once it has already paired, and then this one is to play any music from the phone itself. Okay, and then this one to look at the pairing. So which phone, show me which telephone has been paired. So Shuangao is the name of the player on this phone itself. Then last of all, you can tap on setting. Settings allow you to automatic answer or no automatic answer. So default is automatic answer has already been turned off by the owner of this car. So any call coming into the phone itself, it will not pick up. Okay, let's see. I will try to get someone to call this phone, so just give me a while I prepare for this. Okay, the call is coming in. Okay, so you have an option, and then the player do play. So tap here to answer. Testing. 1 2 3 1 2 3 testing. So the telephone, okay, the telephone will be piped on to that speaker down there for incoming call. And then you can even look at the call log. So there should be one already. So this is the call that I called in just now. So you can actually call back the person by tapping on this one down here, and then dial. So your phone will now be calling. So you see down here, calling. Oh, I don't have network connection. Okay. So anyway, this is the data only phone, so I can't make any call up from there. Alright, so that's how the calling works. Okay, so that is so much so for the phone itself. So this player can only take 8 telephones only. 8 telephone can be paired to 8 different machine can be paired to this player itself. Okay, you can select here and disconnect the Bluetooth, and then after that you can select and connect back once you have already come back. But then each time you connect back, it has a new passkey. Okay, so you can tap down here and then you ask for a new passkey. The new passkey, it let me see, it's already connected. Yeah, it's already connected. Oh, not yet. Let me try to connect. Okay, I try to connect. Okay, on the phone it shows connected. Alright, so connected. The passkey is being displayed, but passkey is not asked on my phone because the phone is already paired. So once the phone already paired, the passkey appears in the front of the screen. Passkey need not be key in. So you just tap on the phone to connect. So once your phone show connected, it should show down here connected. Alright, let me try one more time. Disconnect. Okay, phone disconnected. Then you select here and then you select connect again. So the pass key is shown. So it shows down here connected, no media. Alright, connected. Because I don't have any song or anything on this phone, so none could be seen. Alright. Okay, I have already played something on my phone itself, which is already paired. So you can see the sound actually come up from the speaker, and also on that one, and also I think all the speaker would have that phone itself, the sound itself. So once I paired, anything I played on my phone will be channeled through to the speakers of the car itself. So now let's say I don't want to pair this phone anymore. So what I can do is I can disconnect the phone from the Bluetooth and then make sure I select the correct phone itself and then delete. So delete means I unpair the phone from the player. This one I will show to you afterwards. and then there is a navigation. Navigation is a GPS system. So for the GPS system, make sure the SD card is inserted into the slot down here. The maps are stored inside the SD card itself. Okay, so once I tap, the map now opens up. So I can directly search for places to go. So tap on it. Okay, now the location is already up. So I want to look for, let's say, a landmark. Okay, so okay, let me search and see whether I can find any. Okay, so these are the location that I typed just now, Petronas station. So I'm going to go to the petrol station. So type Petronas and then key in the location. Then the system will tell me where to go. Okay, it will tell me the fastest route. So I can tap on the fastest route. It will show it here. So if there's any other alternate route, I can tap from down here too. I have actually located another location. So they still only show the fastest route. There's no other route. Actually, there's not many route out from this area. So this is apparently the route to go there. And then tap here to simulate the driving there. Okay, so turn. They will show you all the turns, and then until you reach your destination. So it will depict all the turn like this. Right, so until you reach your destination itself. Okay, so when you don't want it, you can actually save up so that you can recall this route anytime. Okay, so I've continued the view and then I've reached the destination. So the simulator has already reached its destination, and then once I reach the destination, the system comes back to my original location and park down here. Okay, there is a setting button, so tap here to view the setting, version information, GPS. These are other settings. You can select English, whatever, location, sound, camera alert, toll booth alert, speed limit alert. You can set them on or off from here. Then default will be fastest route, and then auto zoom. This is for automatic zoom into the location itself, and then automatic GPS positioning every 10 seconds. Okay, so this is the setting, and then you can actually set the volume, the car picture, and things like that. So tapping here will actually bring you back to default factory settings. Okay, then you also have voice alert, and then this one is a destination, how far to the destination, 4.7 km to the giant just now that I selected. Time 9-minute drive, and then this is the current time, and then if you want to look for a new thing, this is the new location. You can tap on there's an option directly for Perodua, so this one actually takes you to Perodua service center, body and repair center, customer hotline. But if you tap on customer hotline, you need to have a phone connected through Bluetooth. Then you actually dial to customer hotline. So sales outlet, then you can select which one you want to go to, type which one you want to go to, and so on. Okay, so this is for Perodua, and then we can also look for places of interest, point of interest like all bank, shopping, any kind of food and beverage, things like that, any location that you want to look for. And then you can either go for address or state, location, road name, you can select from here. Then these are other place, so other place you can directly search. You can look for in history, you can look for in coordinate itself. To return to your main menu, press on the power button. Press on power button, it will return here. And then this is the next one, setting, the beep sound when you make any changes, clock display, navigation audio on or off. Oops. You can see from the setting down here. Restore to factory setting, tap here, that means it restore everything to factory setting. Okay, so settings, you also have system. This is for system setting. This is for audio setting, that means treble, bass, middle. You can set them from here. You can choose your different equalizer mode from up there. settings, display. This one changes the brightness of the screen. This one handles the language, English or Bahasa Malaysia. This one allows you to set the time on the clock itself. And then the last one is the theme, the default theme. So I think the person selected red. So this is the setting theme down here. Okay, the next one will be the smart link. The smart link requires some options, requires some prerequisite. So let's have a look in a while. Okay, for smart link itself, smart link you need to check the phone version. So smartphone shall be Android or operating system version 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. iPhone not supported. Please reserve 50 MB to store your drive mode app installation. So these are the prerequisites before you begin the installation, before you set up your phone for smart link. So to check on the phone itself, this is Samsung, so you need to enable developer edition. So tap here, enable developer edition. So it's under general. This phone I already enabled developer option, so developer option is there. So you can go to device, about device, go to the build number, tap the build number 7 times. So tap it 7 times to enable developer version. So build number, say no need, developer mode has already been enabled. I've already enabled it, so it's a one time only. Okay, then enable your developer option. So tap on developer option, go to debugging mode, and then enable USB debugging mode. But for Xiaomi telephone, Xiaomi telephone has one more option which is called MIUI version. So instead of tapping the build number, for Xiaomi telephone, you need to tap the MIUI version 7 times. Tap it 7 times to enable developer option. Then go to additional setting, developer option, and then you enable it from enable your USB debugging. So you need to enable USB debugging itself. After that, what you need to do is just pair the phone through Bluetooth to the player itself. So I already enabled the Bluetooth on this phone. So Bluetooth enabled already. And then if I look at the Bluetooth, it has already been connected to the player itself. Okay, so these are the options. These are the things you need to prep on the phone itself. So enable developer option, and then enable USB debugging mode, and also check your Android operating system version number. So for Android operating system, I like to use this app called CPU-Z. You can download it from Play Store. Tap on it, and then go to system, and then you can see down here Android version 5.0.2. So 5.0.2 is in the supported list. They support Android 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So once having that Bluetooth already paired to the phone itself, you need to download an app called Perodua Smart Link. So Perodua Smart Link, this app download onto your phone and have it standby. So once you have all this done, you can then connect your phone through the cable to the USB port on the player itself. Alright, so you can now connect the player, you can now connect the phone to the player itself. So you will have to tap on detect phone to begin the detection. So once all this in place, your phone has now able to pair to the player. So you can see down here on my player itself, you can see on my player itself, my phone itself, I see the Perodua Smart Link, and also up here you see the Smart Link also. You can control from either party. You can control from here, you can tap from here, map. So Google Map comes up. Okay, Google Map comes up. This is the Google Map. So this is the button to control your Smart Link. Okay, this is home screen. Home screen returns to here. So just now was map. We can now use telephone, call anybody down here, and then this button returns you back. So tap on home. This is the home screen itself. Last of all will be music. So you can tap on the music, and then it will play the music. So if you like to go to do other things, like I want to play some song or whatever thing from other place, I can still come back here. I can change my setting I can do anything from there. So to return to Smart Link, just tap back here, go back to Smart Link. Okay, tap this button, and then this is back. This is home screen. Home screen returns you to here. So once your screen changes, your phone also changed accordingly. Alright, then tap this one, and then this one, the last one, is for you to exit. That means if you don't want to use Smart Link anymore, you have reached your destination, you want to come down from the car, you want to disconnect the Smart Link, what you can do is go here, tap this one to exit. So once you exit, you can then unplug your phone from the player itself. So that's the Perodua Smart Link that comes with this phone itself. So Smart Link basically is just a screen mirroring to screen mirror from the phone to the player itself. Okay, so thank you for watching. This has been the Android Smart Link enabled player found on Perodua Axia 1.0. Alright, so to my next video, thank you for watching. Bye bye.